how exactly is it harassment?
You know, the order has been served. Do you have to serve it twice? And with policemen and members of the DILG? I do not think that is fair. No? And how many times have they done such act? Have we seen the DILG or the Office of the Ombudsman doing this to convicted members of the Liberal Party? Have we seen the Ombudsman or the DILG implement hastily orders to this effect? This only happens with the family of the Vice President. So, actions speak louder than words. No? Sincerity is always subject to proof. If they say that they are doing their jobs, then they have to do it not sparingly, but they have to do it to everyone. Otherwise, talaga makikita po natin na may selective dito, no? Selective prosecution, may application po ng selective justice.
So sir, to clarify, you're questioning the method of how it was served.
Well,
Parang overkill.
Not
ganun
only
ba?
the method, the manner, the timing, and the decision itself. Kaya nga po sinasabi po namin sa inyo, mga kababayan, sinusuri na po itong order ng Ombudsman. Tila ho ba talaga minadali? Meron ho kasing audit findings na nilabas ng Commission on Audit. Binibigyan po ng takdang panahon ang mag-amang Binay upang sagutin ito. Ngunit hindi pa nga po ito nasasagot, naglabas na po sila ng order. Pangalawa, hindi naman po sa pinipreempt natin ang mga legal remedies ng ating pangalawang Pangulo, hindi ho ba't mayroong temporary restraining order ito? Bakit ho ba pagpabor ang order, pabor ang resolusyon sa Pamilya Binay, tila ho winawalang bahala at hindi sinusunod? Ngunit kapag sila po ang may order, mas mabilis pa po sa alas 5 ang paghatid ng resolution at order na yun. Paliwanag po nila yan. Ano? Siguro i-shift naman natin yung burden. Bakit naman ho lagi tayo ang binubugbog? Bakit naman ho tayo ang laging pinahihirapan? Wala na ho bang iba?